2025 VW Atlas 2.0T SEL Premium R-Line turns heads with bold styling, R-Line design elements, and 21-inch alloy wheels. Presented by Berge Volkswagen, its sleek LED headlights, gloss black accents, and aggressive front fascia give it a sporty yet refined look. A hands-free power liftgate adds both style and functionality. Under the hood, a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine delivers 269 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and standard 4-motion all-wheel drive. The Atlas offers smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and confident traction across varying road conditions. The second-row captain's chairs offer upscale comfort with plenty of legroom and easy access to the third row. All seats are trimmed in premium leather, and the available heated rear seats keep passengers comfortable in colder climates. USB-C ports in all 3 rows ensure everyone stays charged. Step inside to a luxurious cabin with ventilated leather front seats, a heated steering wheel, and customizable ambient lighting. High-quality materials and thoughtful design elements make the cabin both stylish and family-friendly. Tri-Zone climate control helps tailor comfort for all passengers. The Atlas SEL Premium R-Line includes IQ.Drive, Volkswagen's advanced suite of safety features. Standard tech includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a heads-up display. A 360-degree camera system offers added confidence when parking or maneuvering tight spots. A 12-inch digital cockpit and 12-inch infotainment touchscreen with navigation comes standard, along with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Harman Kardon premium sound system. The intuitive interface and crisp visuals make staying connected and entertained effortless. Keyless entry, remote start, a panoramic sunroof, and rain-sensing wipers enhance everyday ease. Power folding side mirrors with memory and position recall, along with a hands-free power liftgate, bring added convenience for busy families on the move. The 2025 VW Atlas 2.0T SEL Premium R-Line delivers bold styling, premium features, and everyday practicality in a spacious SUV. With advanced tech, luxury touches, and all-weather capability, it's ready to elevate every journey. You can view our selection at bergevw.com, give us a call at 480-646-4858, or visit our showroom today.